Hello learners, as I promised you in the last video that we are going to start new series for standard 10. So today we are going to start with the first chapter of geometry, which is similarity. We will see the meaning of similarity. The meaning of similarity means the same shape but not necessary the same size. For this we will consider example. Here I have two coins. One is 10 rupees coin and one is 1 rupee coin. In this coin, if you observe these two coins, the shape of these two coins is similar, same, that is circular in shape, but their sizes are different. See, the sizes are different. Then we will say that these two coins are similar, and to indicate the similarity, we use the sign inverted S. This sign we use to show the similarity. Now let's see the second example. Here I have shown you the two triangles. The shape of these two triangles is same, but the sizes are different. Then also this we can say that these two triangles are similar. Next we will clear the concept about the ratio. Students, in the previous standard you already learned about the ratio. Suppose A and B are two real numbers. Then if we want to write these two real numbers in the ratio form, then we write as A upon B. This is called as the ratio. Now the same way we will see about the area of triangle. We all know the basic formula of area of triangle, that is one upon 2 into base into height. For example, if we consider the example of triangle ABC, in this triangle, side BC is the base of this triangle, and I will draw one altitude from point A, that will be the height of this triangle. Suppose this point is D. Then AD is the height of this triangle. Then we will write area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2. Here base is side BC, so BC. Here height is side AD, so here AD. We can also read it as area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Now we will turn towards the first theorem, ratio of areas of two triangles. The statement of the theorem is the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Here in triangle ABC, AD is the height, BC is the base. BC base is indicated by B1 and height AD is indicated by H1. Similarly in triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. Base QR is indicated by B2 and height PS is indicated by H2. We have to prove that the ratio of the areas of two triangles, that is the ratio of the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and the corresponding heights. So we will see how to prove it. Students, we know that area of a triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into base BC into height AD, which is equal to 1 upon 2 BC indicated by B1 and height of AD is indicated by H1. So, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into B1 into H1. Similarly, for area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into base QR into height PS, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into QR is indicated by B2, PS is indicated by H2. That is, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into B2 into H2. Now, area of ratio of two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into B1 into H1 upon 1 upon 2 into B2 into H2. Here 1 upon 2 will get cancelled, which will be equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now we will see the first condition. If the heights of the both triangles are equal, then the property is the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Here, in triangle ABC, BC is the base which is indicated by letter B1, AD is the height which is indicated by letter H. In triangle PQR, base QR is indicated by letter B2 and the height PS indicated by letter H. If you observe these two triangles ABC and PQR, their height is same, that is H. Now let's see how to prove this. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we know that the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the product of their bases and heights. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to base BC, that is B1, into height AD, that is H, upon base QR, that is B2, into height PS, that is H. Here H will get cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 upon B2. Now we will see the second condition. Bases of both the triangles are equal. Then the property is the ratio of the areas of the two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Let's draw the diagram. Here I have drawn one triangle ABC. Its height is CD and I will indicate its height by letter H1. Now, in this triangle, we will draw the another triangle which will have the same base, that is AB. Let's draw that triangle. Suppose the another triangle is APB, which has the same base AB and its height is PQ. I will indicate its height by letter H2. Now base AB we will denote by the letter B. Now let's prove this theorem. We know that in triangle ABC and triangle ABP, or you can say that APB, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB is equal to, suppose the triangle ABC, its area is equal to base into height. Its base is AB indicated by letter B and its height is CD indicated by letter H1. Now area of triangle APB, base is AB which is indicated by letter B multiplied by its height PQ indicated by letter H2. Here BB will get cancel, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB is equal to H1 upon H2. Students, in the next video we will solve the example based on this theorem. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.